All right. Hi, everybody. Good morning to you. Good afternoon. Good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome back to my channel. So this hour, I want to share with us a quick one, an update from DPM's handle on X. She shared a post, of course, attached it with a picture of current, not picture, a video of the so-called security outfit of Toludo in Anambra State, aka Udo Gachinda Kodo. Their videos and how they are bragging and what they said and all that. This is not to attack anybody. This video is not targeted on any person, but to set the record straight. Because Adia Mama, this is how it starts. By the time they commit something, they will tell you Biafra agitators, ESN, Masan candidates, Samanekba that, oh, God, this and that. None of them are going to say this now. They will not talk. But when the thing escalates, they will tell you security in Igbo land and what have you. Of course, I have asked this question each time they talk about this insecurity. The Amazon kind created insecurity in the East. Then I asked if our region is that peaceful and no crime, we don't have criminals, then what is the formation of Bakassi boys back then? What is it all for? What is the job of that? What is the purpose of creating Bakassi when they created it? If Masakandi is the originator of this insecurity? A very simple question. We can agree that one of the reasons why they're pushing this kind of attack, creating stories here and there, just to suit narrative, just to make it look like, yeah, PM and Mazam Magano, they are actually for, this negative stuff, creating insecurity and what have you. The recent video that we shared also here on social media, revealed how people that are into bunkering. Bunkering is those illegal way of extracting oil from those oil regions and selling it illegally and making money. I know they will say what is illegality about what we are doing, that we are not stealing anything, it belongs to us, this is our land. Rightfully so. It is their land, and in fact, they are right because this is their land, and the government compensated nobody, none of them. It was when they started doing what they're doing, government couldn't bear it anymore. They started negotiating. That's why we started hearing, amnesty and all that. The same issue about this oil is what triggered Fulani to build this security that they built today, seeking for amnesty because they believe that if Nigeria Delta could carry catapult and do one or two things and hold government stand still, we can also do it also for our youth. Crazy mindset of politicians from the north. I'm not here to talk about it. This video is for us to see how some groups under government are doing what they're doing, creating insecurity, and end up blaming people that are talking about Biafra. So follow me as we go through it. I want you to like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. Please do not hesitate to let us know what you think about what this video is all about. We are not here to attack or to do anything, but to make sure that what you say that we have, truly we do have it. To make sure that our people are connecting to the right source of information, to make sure that nobody will be deceived or manipulated. So that is the essence of that. And like I said, please do me a favor, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's not going to cost you anything. So speaking of anything, DPM dropped something and we are going to go through it. Remember, this is not an attack on anybody. It is actually a welcome development because we must be realistic, we must be truthful. Otherwise, we end up, messing things up, which I don't pray for that, and I don't believe that anybody pray for such. So let's quickly go through this post made by DPM Dr. Ngozi Orabeze. So as you can see on your screen, it said press release 6th, that is June 29, 2026. President Tinubu and Hope Uzodinma has has sent us to fight anyone that don't believe in one Nigeria and the citizens of the new Christian nation. These were the words of these armed militias on the streets of the United States of Biafra. Watch video. Okay, before watch video, let's read this from beginning to the from beginning to the part any part. The legitimized Nigerian politicians led by President Tinubu, Bianca Ono Ojukwu, Hope Uzodinma, Charles Soludo, Peter Mba, Oti, Fabre continue to attack the new Christian nation of the United States of Biafra (USB) by arming these pictured illegal militias and sending them to the conquest, sending them to the quiet neighborhood of USB. These actions by the Nigerian state and their politicians will exacerbate communal clash and cause more killings in the quiet neighborhood of the supporting state of Biafra. The Nigerian state and the Sokoto Caliphate has consistently used the divide and conquer tactics to oppress, subjugate, and kill indigenous people and turn brothers against each other to depopulate, conquer, and Islamize a territory. Bianca Ono Ojukwu, Christian Musa, Tinubu, Hope Uzodinma, Charles Soludo, Peter Obi, and what have you, and others. Militarization of the United States of Biafra territory and withdraw these militias you have unleashed on our sovereign nation. The United States of Biafra USB citizens will defend themselves, their territory, against this militia. The United States of Biafra, the United States of Biafra government will continue to protect its citizens, its people, and territory. DPM. So she made this post, and with the video that accompanied it is this. Listen. I don't know if you can hear this. I don't know. Pay attention, please. We have gone to school. I said, no, I don't see any idea.
for support. Support where we never buy him, we buy inside. No use, no use, financially, they need support. All the way, we are going to street. Yes. I would have temper. I would have temper. Thank you.
You heard this, right? This is how it always starts. Now, this young man here, remember that this is in Anambra State, at the same state where native doctors are being arrested, people are being tagged fake pastor, fake prophet, and all that. I'm not saying that they don't have fake pastors. They do have fake native doctors. Yes, they do have it. But Soludo jailed them, Soludo detained them, and he said that you have to prove to them. But 90% of the people here are using sharps. You know, I don't know what is your take about it. Let me know what you think about it, because to me, it's not going down well with me. I don't like it. Then again, if you have watched that video that we played, you know, when they revealed that people from the River State, you know, moved to Anambra and the Imo, you understand that they started doing one or two things according to the guy who testified, who, you know, exposed them. He said a lot of things that I have shared it time with that number here. Many people can bear with this. I still have the video though, but I'm saying that you should recall, connect the dots so that it will make more meaning to you. What do you have to say about it? Because this Udoga actually have a very terrible record so far in Anambra State, and Soludo is not actually helping matters. Now, I'm not saying if you are that I'm against them because they are chasing after criminals. If they chase after criminals, it's okay. But reports and videos have shown that they misjudge people and torture people and bad people. This group, so you cannot trust them. You can't trust them. Anyway, I'm gonna end it there because I don't want the video to be too long. Let me know what you think about it. Do you agree or disagree? What is your plan? What is your target? Let's talk. Day one. Please make sure you like the video and stay, you know, on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and share it to everyone, please. Very, 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 very important. Take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.